the iPhone. So this does not include anything that's saved to the iCloud and not downloaded directly to the iPhone. So if you have a bunch of images, videos, and things like that you also want to transfer to your Fold 4, you'll first need to download those from the iCloud before they'll transfer to the new device. You may have also noticed that there's no arrows next to the images, videos, audio, and documents like you saw when transferring from a Samsung device or a non-Samsung Android device. So that means you can't select specific images, videos, audio, or documents. You have to transfer either all of it or none of it. And at the bottom, you can tap to find out what data can't be transferred, and it's FaceTime and voice call history, which makes sense because you can't get FaceTime on an Android device. Messages with iMessage effects can't be transferred either, which also makes sense. And you also can't transfer locked notes or the home screen wallpaper or lock screen wallpapers. Scrolling back to the top, the last detail that's missing is there's no time estimate when transferring from an iPhone. If for some reason you won't have your iPhone with you and you still want to transfer some data, it is possible to use this Get Data from iCloud Instead option. And all you have to do is log into your iCloud account on the Fold 4 and it'll transfer some of that data. And if you tap Learn More, you'll see that it's really not that much data at all. All you get are your contacts, memos, calendars, photos, videos, and documents that are currently synced with your iCloud. So that means you don't get any of your messages or any photos and videos that are saved just to the device and not in your iCloud. So if you're gonna be transferring from an iPhone, I do highly recommend that you plug it directly into your Fold 4. So now that we've seen everything you can transfer with the iPhone, let's jump back to the Fold 3 and finish the transfer process with that device. Once you've selected everything you want to transfer, at the top you'll see the total amount of data you'll be transferring and about how long it's going to take to transfer all of that data from the old device. Something very important to point out here is that if you're going to be transferring a ton of data, like more than 100 gigs to your new device, it would be best to transfer wirelessly and have both devices plugged in to make sure that the batteries don't die before all that data is transferred. Or if you're transferring from an iPhone, you